Adding coworkers, freelancers, or clients to a YouTube channel that you have created is very simple. First, you just want to log into your YouTube account under your personal profile. Then once inside, you want to click on the icon for your channel and come down to switch accounts. It's in here that you're going to see all of the YouTube channels that you've created or are the owner for. And so what you want to do is just click on the channel that you want to add owners or managers to. Once you see that you're logged into that channel, you want to click the icon again and come down into settings. In here, you'll see you have the option to add or remove managers. So just click on that and click again on manage permissions. You can see here that I'm the primary owner. And if I do want to invite new users, I can just click on this icon. Then you just want to put in the email address of your colleague, freelancer, or client. And then you want to choose a role. There are three options: owner, manager, and communications manager. Now, if you want to get more details on what all these mean, you can just click on the learn more and you can scroll down to see them here. In most cases though, an owner is going to be appropriate if you're leaving a company and you want to hand full ownership back to a colleague, or if you created a YouTube channel for a client and you want to hand it back to them, they can then afterwards remove you as an owner if they don't want you to have access. Managers is probably most appropriate then for colleagues so that they can upload videos, respond to comments, etc. So once you've decided the role, you just need to select it and then hit invite once you put their email address in, and they will get a notification. So that is how you add owners or managers to a YouTube channel that you've created.